Let's take a look at our new website features, Surveys and Puzzles. After logging in, go to Surveys and Puzzles. We hope you will have some fun with these new features. Click on the down arrow to show the two choices. Let's click on Puzzles. The next screen will show the puzzle as it appears on a desktop, laptop, or iPad. On the upper left side is the three-line hamburger. Click it to see 4 optional features of the puzzle. On the upper right side, the Assist drop-down has options to help you solve the puzzle. You also have the ability to print either the blank puzzle, your entries, or the puzzle's actual solution. Now let's take a look at the other new feature, Surveys. Survey participation is anonymous. In this survey, you're asked to make 2 choices about the Mets and Yankees for this season. When you are finished, make sure to click the Submit button to record your choices. To see how the community as a whole voted, click the bottom left to see the results. A pie chart for each question will appear showing the overall results. When you are finished, click on the X to clear the screen. On a smartphone, click on the 3-line hamburger in the upper left to see the choice for Surveys and Puzzles, and click on the down arrow to select one of the 2 choices. We hope you will enjoy these 2 new features. Thanks for watching.